Mr. Gren, I hear you're having a coughing fit. Are you doing okay?
Yeah, I need something for my cough.
All right, I'll be right there. All right, Mr. Gren, I have some cough drop for you here. Let me get you a couple.
I don't want to have any cough drops. I want to have my regular medicine.
What is your regular medicine?
What do you think? I'm going to take these drops? That's not going to make me better. What do you think? I'm going to take these drops?
I got an alert about some aggression, and I think I know what you need.
Oh,
Look at that.
No need to be angry.
he's our hero.
Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers!
Thank you.
Thank you.